Hello everyone, friends. Today we're going to discuss one of the oldest and most respected cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, Kraken. This platform has been operating for over 10 years and has earned a reputation as one of the safest and most reliable platforms for trading cryptocurrency. Kraken is actively used by both beginners and professional traders, offering hundreds of coins, futures, staking, fiat support, and even API trading. In this review, I will show you how to register on Kraken, go through verification, fund your account, trade on the spot and futures markets, and how to earn passive income through staking. I'll also talk about the bonuses and discounts you can receive when registering through our partner link. You'll get a $25 bonus in Bitcoin with your first deposit of $100, along with additional benefits. If you want to trade legally, safely, and conveniently, this video is definitely for you. About Kraken. Kraken is not just an exchange. It's a true standard of security and stability in the cryptocurrency world, being one of the first and most authoritative cryptocurrency exchanges founded in 2011 in San Francisco. The platform is actively regulated and holds licenses in the USA, Canada, the United Kingdom, the European Union, and Japan, making it one of the few truly legal and reliable exchanges in the global market. The exchange serves over 10 million users from 190 plus countries, supports over 200 cryptocurrencies and dozens of fiat currencies, from dollars and euros to pounds and yen. Kraken is renowned not only for its wide functionality, but also for its strict security standards. There have been no major hacks during its operation, and over 95% of clients' assets are stored in cold wallets. The platform offers spot trading, buying and selling coins with minimal fees, futures, with leverage up to 50x for experienced traders, margin trading, the ability to trade with borrowed funds, staking, up to 20% annual returns on popular coins, ETH, DOT, ADA, SOL, and others. NFT marketplace for collectors and investors. API and Kraken Pro for algorithmic and professional trading. Kraken is known for its simple, user-friendly interface and 24/7 customer support. It is a platform trusted not only by retail traders, but also by institutional investors, including funds, banks, and crypto companies. Now let's give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. It's important for YouTube's algorithms to recommend our future videos. Also, check the description for many useful links. Registering on Kraken. To get started with the Kraken exchange, you need to complete a straightforward registration process that takes just a couple of minutes. The procedure is equally user-friendly, whether you're using a computer or the Kraken mobile app. Click the link in the description below the video. This is our official partner link that includes a bonus and activates a discount on trading fees. On the opened page, enter your email, create a secure password, and select your country of residence. Confirm your agreement with the terms and click Create Account. Check your email. You will receive a message with a confirmation code. Copy the code and paste it on the Kraken website. After confirming your account, you can immediately log into your personal dashboard and, if desired, download the Kraken mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you log in, it is highly recommended that you enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account, even if someone discovers your password. When logging in or withdrawing funds, the system will prompt you for a one-time code generated by an app on your phone. Step 1. Open security settings. Go to your profile. Security. Two-factor authentication. 2FA settings. Step 2. Choose what to protect. It is advisable to enable at least account login, 2FA, protection during login, withdrawal of funds, 2FA, protection for transfers and withdrawals. Step 3. Download Google Authenticator. Step 4. Scan the QR code. A code will appear on Kraken. Open the app. Click plus, scan the QR code, and enter the 6-digit code on the website. Step 5. Save the backup key. Kraken will show you a backup key. Write it down in case you need to regain access if you lose your phone. Done. Now, without the code from the app, no one can log into your account or withdraw funds. Verification on Kraken. As a regulated exchange, Kraken requires you to verify your identity for full access to its features. After verification, you will have access to all functionalities, including fiat deposits and withdrawals, futures trading, staking, and participation in bonus programs. Verification levels. Basic level allows you to trade cryptocurrencies but not engage in fiat transactions. Intermediate level enables bank deposits and withdrawals, access to futures, and staking opportunities. Professional level, designed for larger traders with increased limits and extended capabilities. How to complete verification. In your personal cabinet, open the verification section. Select your country and choose a document. Passport, ID card, or driver's license. Upload a photo of the document and take a selfie. Provide your residential address. Submit your application. Verification typically takes between 5 to 15 minutes. Once approved, your status will change to verified, and you'll be able to use your account without limitations. Deposit and withdraw funds, trade on margin, participate in staking, and join promotions. By the way, friend, we have included links to all the top exchanges, wallets, and services with unique bonuses below the video. Funding your Kraken account. Once you've completed the registration and verification processes, you can move on to funding your account. The exchange supports both cryptocurrency deposits and fiat deposits through banks and online exchangers. Everything is handled simply and securely. Method 1. Funding with cryptocurrency. Navigate to the assets section. Deposit. Choose your cryptocurrency, such as USDT or BTC. Specify the network for the transfer, TRC20, ERC20, Arbitrum, etc. Copy the wallet address provided by the system. Go to your wallet or another exchange, paste the address, and send the funds. Within a few minutes, your cryptocurrency will appear in your balance. We recommend using the TRC20 network as it is fast and has minimal fees. Method 2. Funding fiat through a bank. If you have completed verification, you can deposit funds in dollars, euros, or pounds. Open the deposit section. Fiat currencies. Select your currency and transfer method. SEPA for the European Union, SWIFT for other countries, or a regular bank transfer. The system will provide you with Kraken's bank details. Complete the transfer from your bank account. Funds usually arrive within 1 to 3 business days. The exchange does not charge a fee for deposits, although your bank may deduct a small amount for international transfers. Method 3. Funding with a card. In some countries, you can deposit funds directly using a Visa or MasterCard. The fee is slightly higher, but the deposit is processed instantly. This is convenient if you need to quickly purchase cryptocurrency. Method 4. Funding through an online exchanger. If bank transfers are not available, you can use online exchanges. This is particularly convenient if you want to buy USDT or another cryptocurrency with your bank card. Visit the online exchange's website via the link in the description. In the left column, select where you are sending money from, such as your bank or payment system. In the right column, select what you want to receive, USDT, TRC20. Find an exchanger with good reviews and sufficient reserves. Specify the amount and paste your deposit address from Kraken. Complete the payment and wait for confirmation. Within a few minutes, the cryptocurrency will appear in your account. This method is especially useful if you are funding from a card or from a country where fiat transfers to exchanges are restricted. After funding your account, the funds are immediately available for trading, purchasing coins, or participating in staking. Withdrawing funds from Kraken. You can withdraw both cryptocurrency and fiat from Kraken, and the process is quite straightforward. The steps are similar to those for funding, so let's quickly go through them. Withdrawing cryptocurrency. Open Assets. Withdraw. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw and choose the network. Paste the wallet address and specify the amount, then confirm using the code sent to your email or your 2FA code. Funds typically arrive within a few minutes. Just ensure that the withdrawal network matches the recipient wallet's network. Withdrawing fiat through a bank. This option is available after you've completed verification. Go to Assets. Withdraw. Fiat, select the currency and the transfer method, SEPA, SWIFT, or bank transfer, specify the amount, and confirm. Deposits usually take 1 to 3 business days. Withdrawing through an exchanger. If bank withdrawals are unavailable, you can withdraw through Best Change. Choose what you're offering, such as USDT, TRC20, and what you want to receive, your local currency. Then, transfer the cryptocurrency to the exchanger's address and receive the funds on your card or e-wallet. Trading on Kraken. Kraken offers 2 primary trading modes, spot trading and futures trading. The exchange interface is straightforward and intuitive, making it easy for even beginners to navigate quickly. Spot trading. This is the classic method of buying and selling cryptocurrency at the current market price. Navigate to the trade section. Spot. Select a trading pair, such as BTC, USDT. Specify the type of order, market order, buy or sell at the current price, executed instantly. Limit order. Set your own price at which you want to buy or sell, enter the amount, and click buy. After the transaction, the asset will appear in your spot balance, from where it can be withdrawn or exchanged. Futures trading. For more experienced users, trading contracts with leverage of up to 50x is available. Futures allow you to profit from both rising and falling prices by opening long or short positions. Go to the futures section. Select a pair, such as ETH, USDT. Set your leverage, choose the type of order, and open your position. Be sure to set a stop loss and take profit to manage your risk effectively. Beginners are advised to start with a lower leverage, no higher than 3 to 5. Kraken Pro. For traders who require advanced charts, market depth, and sophisticated orders, there's a separate interface called Kraken Pro. This platform provides complete control over trades and is suited for active traders. If you want to learn how to invest and trade effectively, feel free to join our Telegram channel. We excel at explaining things in simple terms. The link is in the description below the video. Staking and passive income on Kraken. If you prefer not to trade actively but still want your crypto to generate profit, Kraken offers a simple way to earn passively, staking. On the platform, you can stake dozens of popular coins, including ETH, DOT, ADA, SOL, Atom, Algo, and others. The yield varies depending on the asset and typically ranges from 3% to 20% annually. To get started, navigate to the Earn section on the top panel of the website. Choose a coin from the available staking list. Specify the amount and click stake. From this moment on, your funds will start accruing rewards, which are usually distributed regularly, generally every few days. There are 2 types of staking. Flexible, you can withdraw your coins at any time. Fixed, your coins are locked for a specified period, but the yield is higher. Kraken automatically distributes rewards to your account, and you can check your earnings statistics at any time in the Earn section. This is an excellent way to achieve stable income from crypto without trading or the risk of liquidation. If you have any questions, feel free to join our private referral chat, where we will answer all your inquiries and help you understand the platform better. The link is also in the description below the video. Security on Kraken. Kraken is rightly regarded as one of the most reliable exchanges in the industry. Over its more than 10 years of operation, it has not experienced any major hacks, and its level of security meets banking standards. Asset storage. Over 95% of all user funds are held in cold wallets, completely isolated from the internet. Data encryption. All transmission of information and personal data occurs over secure protocols, audits, and licenses. Kraken undergoes regular independent audits and operates under the supervision of financial regulators in the USA, Canada, the United Kingdom, and the European Union. Separate master key, an additional layer of security used for account recovery and adjusting security settings. The exchange also offers a notification system for logins, activities, and withdrawals, allowing users to instantly track any suspicious actions. Thanks to this robust security architecture, Kraken consistently ranks among the top global exchanges in terms of reliability and user trust. Kraken mobile app. Kraken provides 2 convenient mobile applications, Kraken and Kraken Pro. Both are available in the App Store and Google Play, with interfaces fully optimized for smartphones. Kraken app, a simple option for beginners. Here you can quickly buy and sell cryptocurrencies, check your balance, deposit funds and withdraw them, monitor current prices and market changes. Kraken Pro, the professional version with advanced features, detailed charts and indicators, precise order and leverage settings, access to order books and trade history, instant switching between spot and futures trading. Both applications sync with your account, so any actions performed on your phone are immediately reflected in the web version. Kraken's support service operates 24/7, providing quick and thorough responses. You can contact them via the online chat on the website or through the help section in the app. Bonuses and referral program on Kraken. Kraken rewards new users and traders who invite their friends. After registering through our partner link, you will receive a $25 bonus in Bitcoin with your first deposit of $100, along with a discount on trading fees and additional bonuses depending on your region and activity. The fee reduction is automatically activated after registration, and in the future, you can further increase your discount based on your trading volume. The exchange also has a referral program that allows you to earn a percentage of the commissions from users you refer. It's simple. Go to the Invite Friends section in your personal cabinet. Copy your referral link and send it to your friends. When they register and start trading, you will receive a portion of their commissions as a reward. This is a convenient way to earn passive income just by sharing your link. Kraken frequently runs temporary promotions and campaigns with bonuses for new users, so it's worth keeping an eye on updates on the homepage or in the promotions section. If you haven't yet liked this video or subscribed to our channel, now is the perfect time to do so. Links to our Telegram, the best exchanges and wallets are below the video. So shall we wrap it up? Kraken is not just an exchange, it is one of the most reliable and stable players in the cryptocurrency market. With over a decade of experience, it has proven to combine security, functionality, and convenience, offering everything from spot trading and futures to staking and passive income. Both beginners and professionals can comfortably work here. The intuitive interface, advanced Kraken Pro version, fiat support, high liquidity, and round-the-clock customer service make this platform versatile. If you're looking for an exchange with an impeccable reputation, transparent conditions, and licenses, Kraken is one of the best choices. To get started on a profitable note, click the link in the description and register through our link. It will activate fee discounts and bonuses for new users. Trade, grow, and earn safely with Kraken.